Welcome to this Cert Mage explainer. Okay, let's dive right into this. If you're looking to break into cybersecurity, you've probably stared at your screen until your eyes blurred, right? You're wondering, do I invest in the Google Cybersecurity Certificate or do I go for CompTIA Security Plus? Well, today, we're going to clear the air immediately. Because treating these two fantastic credentials as competing choices, that's honestly the biggest misconception in the industry right now.
You see it literally everywhere. Forums, job boards, comment sections. Which one should you choose? It's the classic beginner question, and honestly, it creates a ton of unnecessary stress for folks. But framing this as a strict either-or decision is actually a massive mistake. It's the kind of trap that can leave real value on the table and totally slow down your career trajectory.
Because here's the simple truth. It's not either-or. It's sequential. Look, Google didn't build their certificate to compete with or, kill off Security Plus. Actually, they explicitly designed it to prepare you for the Security Plus exam. The content overlap is 100% by design. In fact, if you finish both, Coursera actually awards you a dual credential. So the real question we should be asking isn't which one to pick, but rather which order makes the most sense for your specific career path.
So let's look at this at a glance and compare the basics.
Right off the bat, you'll see these are totally different beasts. The Google Certificate is this modern, self-paced online subscription on Coursera for just $49 a month. It's super accessible, usually takes about 3 to 6 months to knock out, and once you earn it, boom, it's yours forever, no renewals required. Now, CompTIA Security Plus, that's your old-school, heavyweight industry validation. You're buying a hefty $439 voucher for a single, high-stakes, 90-minute proctored exam. You're going to study hard for maybe 4 to 10 weeks, and then, here's the kicker, you have to renew that certification every 3 years with continuing education credits, which costs another $150. So we're really comparing a highly accessible monthly learning journey right alongside a traditional, formal industry exam.
Moving on to what you actually learn, we're talking practical skills versus industry validation.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how perfectly these two credentials actually complement each other. Google focuses intensely on practical, hands-on tools. You aren't just sitting there memorizing flashcards. You're actively writing Python scripts, you're navigating Linux environments, querying SQL databases, and actually getting your hands dirty in CM platforms, security information, and event management. The immense value here is all about building applied muscle memory. You finish the program having actually used these tools to build a real-world portfolio rather than just reciting textbook definitions.
Contrast that with Security Plus, which is all about industry standard validation. This one is a vendor-neutral, heavily scenario-based exam. It tests your critical judgment on things like secure network architecture, deploying overarching security controls, managing formal incident response, and understanding high-level program governance and risk. It's not testing your ability to write a Python script in a vacuum. Instead, it's testing whether you truly understand the broad architectural principles of securing an entire enterprise environment.
And here is a crucial, absolutely vital term you need to know regarding Security Plus: DoD 8140 IAT Level 2 compliant. This formal recognition is huge, guys. Many government contracts and private employers explicitly require the certification by name just to get your resume past those ruthless automated HR filters. Security Plus carries this established, third-party verified trust that honestly just acts like a golden key for certain job applications. And that's something the Google certificate just doesn't carry yet on its own.
Next up, let's talk about the financial reality and look at the actual cost of doing both. If you decide to tackle both of these sequentially, your realistic total budget is going to sit right between $586 and $733. That accounts for roughly 3 to 6 months of the Coursera subscription to build up your hands-on skills, plus that $439 Security Plus exam voucher to lock in your industry validation. To put that into perspective, when you compare that to the cost of a traditional 4-year degree, getting both practical muscle memory and a formal industry-recognized credential for well under $1,000 is an absolutely incredible return on investment. And this brilliantly illustrates what doing both actually looks like in practice. Let's map it out. In month 1, you kick things off with your foundational Google learning. By month 3, you're knocking out those hands-on portfolio projects and really building that muscle memory. Around month 5, you pivot. You shift your focus to specific Security Plus exam prep, leveraging all that awesome foundational knowledge you just built. And by month 9, you're walking in totally prepared to pass that proctored exam. Earning this dual credential typically takes a very manageable 4 to 9 months combined. Of course, that depends entirely on your personal pace, but it is super doable.
So what's your best starting point?
Let's tailor the path specifically to you.
It really comes down to where your personal starting line is. Are you a complete beginner or maybe a career changer? If so, start with Google. It gives you this fantastic low-risk, low-cost playground to build hands-on confidence before you drop big money on a high-stakes exam voucher. But what if you're an experienced IT pro? Maybe you already hold an A+ or a Network Plus certification, or maybe you're a candidate specifically targeting defense jobs. In that case, skip straight to Security Plus. You likely don't need that foundational ramp-up, and let's be real, you need that specific DoD compliance on your resume yesterday.
Now, let's go over some common mistakes and exactly what you need to avoid.
Before you launch into either of these paths, you need to know that eager candidates frequently fall into a few nasty traps. First off, treating this choice as a strict either-or decision just leaves major value on the table, as we've discussed. Second, and please listen to me on this one, do not assume the Google Cert alone will satisfy DoD 8140 compliance. It absolutely will not. Also, don't skip Google's practical projects just to rush to the finish line. You really need those hands-on skills for your portfolio. Now, when you do eventually pivot to Security Plus, remember, you aren't starting from scratch. Make sure you leverage that massive content overlap instead of wasting valuable study time. And finally, work efficiently, okay? Don't drag out a Coursera subscription for months on end and accidentally inflate your own costs.
So the crucial takeaway here is that these two programs are allies, not enemies. But your unique starting line dictates your first move. Which brings us to our final question for this explainer. Would you start with the Google Cybersecurity Certificate or go directly to Security Plus? Let us know your strategy in the comments below. And hey, please subscribe to Cert Mage for more certification comparisons, study strategies, and career guidance to help you navigate the IT landscape.